Let's begin with the most important vowel pairs.
E and I.
Both E and I are front high vowels. Being able to pronounce E and I correctly is very important, since there are many pairable words that sound exactly the same except for the vowel sounds. And some of these include swearing words.
Bitch, beach. Piss, peace. Shit, sheet.
We ESL people should have experienced saying something like,
I like to go to the bitch. I hope for world piss. Where can I buy a bedsheet? The correct pronunciation would be, I like to go to the beach. I hope for world peace. Where can I buy a bedsheet?
The main distinction between
E and I.
is tenseness. E is a tense vowel. To produce this tense E sound, slightly draw the lips back and raise the back of the tongue. Because of this, there is a constriction in the throat. E is long and normally sound like E. On the other hand, I is a lax vowel. To produce the I sound, the tongue is high, but you don't move any vocal tract. Just let the air come out from the lung. I. The throat is more open for I. These are words with lax I sound.
Begin. Did. In. It. Is. His. Him. Interest. Kit. Little. Sit. Six. This. Will. With. With the letter Y. Crystal. Hymn. Physics. Rhythm. Symbol. Symmetry. Symptom. Typical. With the letter U. Busy. Business. With the letter O. Women.
And these are words with tense E sound.
With the letters EA. Beach. Bead. Beat. Bleach. Breathe. Cheat. Clean. Cream. Creature. Deal. Dream. Each. Easy. Eat. Heal. Heat. Increase. Jeans. Leader. Leaf. Lean. Leave. Meal. Mean. Meat. Pea. Peach. Peak. Please. Reach. Read. Repeat. Reason. Reveal. Scream. See. Seal. Seat. Steal. Steam. Stream. Teach. Team. Treat. Week.
With the letters E, E.
Agree. Between. Keep. Feel. Feet. Fleece. Free. Meet. Need. See. Seam. Street. Week. Apogee. Bumblebee. Employee. Honeybee. Jubilee. Manatee. Pedigree. Refugee. With the letter E. Even. Region. Theme. Complete. With the letters IE. Achieve. Believe. Brief. Chief. Field. Peace. With the letter I. Police. With the letters EO. People.
Now that you know how to say E and I, let's practice E and I with their meaning.